Old girl's had better days, huh? He's been sitting for a while now. Look at the grass. So, we're gonna pull the, oh gosh. Gonna pull the rear end cover off and see what I've broke. So, let's do that. All right, so we got the cover off, and I don't know if you can see this, it's getting some light. As you can see, it's spider gear debris. Let's see if I can get a little flashlight here. Brother, you ain't supposed to be like that. Honestly, the ring gear doesn't look terrible. Looks like it might have sharpened some of the teeth. I don't know, they don't actually look that bad. Alright, we may be able to put a spool on this thing and fix that. Yeah. Luckily, the teeth don't look that bad. Look, it's literally barely spinning. There it goes. See? It's not even spinning the ring gear. There it goes. But there's literal chunks out of the... Let's see if I can pull up the spider gear here. There we go. Come on. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. Oh, yeah. Literal teeth. Gone. Completely grenaded. And this was a brand new Auburn unit, or Eaton, I can't remember. 390 gear set with a posi. All from Quick Performance. Made it 5 passes on this car with the drag pack and grenaded. But there we are. That's the issue right there. Well, let's get it tore down and get it apart.
Yeah.
All right, so we're back on the old 94 Pontiac formula here. And so pretty much I got the whole rear end, the center section tore out of it. And what we have found is it grenaded the spider gears. Now, I don't know if you all can see quite inside. Oh, hello. Yeah, it's missing several teeth. So what we have discovered is 2,500 RPM launches on a stock 10 bolt. This is the second time I've done that, so I should have knew, but you gotta have fun, right? You gotta have fun. So yeah, it's grenaded, so I gotta get a new carrier. Luckily, the ring gear and the pinion actually look good, which is good because that's a 390 gear set that I just put in that thing, and it had maybe 5 passes. So with that being said, we're gonna clean this thing up, and like I say, we're gonna get the motor and everything put back together. I got right here, it's all tore apart. So hopefully you have this thing fired up. It's been sitting for at least 1.5 years now. So get this thing cleaned up, get it fired up, get it back on the road, and start doing some stuff with it. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so here we are. We got the breather and everything back on here, so I'm gonna tighten all this up, and we'll get this thing a fire up. So I don't have a filter or anything in it, but pretty much I just want to see and make sure that this thing will even crank and fire up. It was running pretty rough, so I may have to pull a plug or something just to make sure that the plugs aren't killed. But we got a pretty hot battery in it, so hopefully this thing fires right up. Okay, so it starts. Got a pretty gnarly vacuum leak on the intake boot, I can tell already. Oh yeah, she's running rich. So let me get that vacuum leak sealed up, and let's fire this pig up. All right, what's up everybody? So we're back in the shop and making some progress on this old girl. So right now I've got the pan hard out, emergency brake cables unhooked. Let's see, got the sway bar unbolted from the rear end. Pretty much the shocks are unbolted, but I've not dropped them because the rear end will drop as soon as I do that. I gotta take the pan hard loose, pull the drive shaft still yet, and that should be pretty much it. We should be able to drop this thing. So as you can see in the background, I actually bought a parts car, and I'm gonna throw that rear end up in it. That was an automatic car. It should have like a 323 gear, so that's kind of the downfall. This thing was 390, and now we're gonna do 323. So stay posted with me here. I'm gonna put you in a little time lapse of me finishing this thing out. All right, guys, getting ready to drop this rear end out. As you can see, we got everything unbolted, and all we gotta do is slide the shocks out. And all I gotta do is pick that thing up and pull it out of there. So stay tuned.